All right, I'm going to show you a super cool feature that they have on maps. Now, they don't have this for every city. I tried to do my city, Delray Beach, but they don't allow me to do a flyover. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to open up maps. And I've already opened it up to Berlin, but I could change it. Like I could put in here, like here's Delray Beach. I've already searched it. Whatever I search, it's going to show in here. So if I search Delray Beach, it comes up. And basically, it gives me this page. And I'm like, that's not what I really want. So let's go back to search again. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit Berlin because I've already searched it once. I could write it in here. You know, I could just go like this, and I could put in Berlin, you know, and it kind of comes up, and you can just go like that. So now it's giving me this Berlin here. But what I want to do is I want to do a flyover of Berlin. So this is the new cool option. And what it does is it takes me on like a 3D voyage over the city itself. And I can go anywhere I want. So let's go ahead and do a flyover. So what it's going to do, it's going to zoom in. And here we are, we're in Berlin. And now we can go anywhere we want. You see? Like we can find all the different places. And all I got to do is just move it with my thumb. And then if I turn it this way, it gives me even more of a kind of a view, you know, a sideways view. You can see, look, this like the different landmarks. Let's see if you can see this. Because I'm turning it sideways, so the phone's like this way. I'm going to kind of roll it through like this. And if you don't know Berlin, like most people don't know Berlin, so what you can do if you've never been there and you want to navigate or you want to see all the major sites, is what you can do is you can tap the screen once like this, and it gives you this little tab that pops up at the bottom, and you can start a tour. So let's just do a tour of Berlin, and it's going to give us all the major spots. Let's see what they show us first. And when it gets on a landmark, a major landmark, you'll see the name of it at the very bottom. Like, see how it's kind of like doing a bird's eye view, zooming in on this building right here? Pretty soon you're going to see it. That's the Reichstag building, which is very famous in history. If you remember the burning of the Reichstag in World War II, that, you know, Hitler, that false flag thing that he had done. And then it's going to take us to the next place, and we're going to take a look at it. There's the Brandenburg Gate, which is very famous. You probably heard of it. And where we're going to go next, who knows? It's going to take us somewhere. And we are coming in on, oh yes, check it out. That's the, there it is. The Kanzethus, or whatever the heck that is. I've never been to that. But anyway, so it's showing you all these different places. I think it's only going to give us 4 or 5 of them when you do this tour. But still, that's pretty cool. Let's see where we're going next. Oh, look at that. Wow. Nope, we're going to this giant like needle thing. That's the television tower. But look at it. Isn't it cool? It's huge. It goes way up. That's Berlin, man. It's crazy. Though it's now it's zooming out, so I think we're ending our tour. But that gives you an idea of some of the major landmarks in Berlin. And so if you're going to go there, this is a super cool tool that you can use. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Oh, the other thing too is you can, if you start the tour, you can pause the tour. Then you can resume the tour. So you have those options as you're doing it. All right, like I said, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos about how to use your maps on iPhone 12 and iOS 15. Peace out.